pasó? ¿Dónde? Ok, pues vas a madre. Equivalent of $8. I got this guy right here. From this factory, cheese factory. Feels soft, very moist. About to set up. This is where I'm gonna set up the tent. Right there. I'll put all that in here. City. Took me about 30 minutes to set up. So here's my drinking water, 5 gallons. This is my shower slash dog slash rinsing off water. My Coleman stove. My Walmart Ozark Trail 6-person tent. I find this to be the perfect size for 2 people. 2 twin mattresses fit in there, or you could also put in 1 queen size, which that's what I'll be using today. And then obviously my privacy tent that I always bring along. This thing is a lifesaver. Definitely worth the 34 bucks, I think. I did make a makeshift shower. 2-gallon tank, and then I saw it on YouTube. A YouTuber had this, but basically cut the sprayer that comes with the actual spray and replaced it with a kitchen one, and it works great. My pooper scoop, my toilet here. Ooh. Oh. Nah, Blue. He's your buddy.
Ay, qué bonito, burro.
Go get it! Get it, Blue! Go boy! Go boy! Go boy! Bring it! Bring it! Go boy! So the Coleman stove gave out on me, so I had to resort to plan B. Tuna sandwich with avocado, mayo, some peppers, and then obviously our raw garlic. So starving. Oh, and then Topo Chico with a lime. Tortas Don Shumas. Some pecan trees. Apparently, according to the owner, they're about 3 years old and they're already producing pecans, which is pretty good. And here they are. See some pecans right there. Get it, Blue! Go get it! Oh boy, Blue, oh boy! Bring it! Bring it, Blue! Go boy! Come on. Come on. Come on, Blue. Get out. Come on. Púchalo al güey. Púchalo. Come here. Mira, culero. Good boy. Si le tomé. Ah, look at that. Leave it, Blue. Leave it. So we're on a trail, not sure where, but just enjoying the great scenic views.